yes, I want to get a chair. We're going to do some kicks. The kicks I really like to do are the side kicks, the back kicks. Today we're going to do side kick, back kick, hook kick. And let's start with a side kick. What I'd like you to do on
Okay.
this is put a lot of weight on it. So you're going to be using this for a lot of the weight support. Now the reason for that is that I'd like you to be developing strength in the arm as you do this. So it's not a straight arm, it's going to be bent. And then the knee is going to come up as high as you can bring it. And then we're going to push it out. For me, I'm pushing it out to my 4 o'clock position and then back in, up, knee is up. And then back out to 4 o'clock position and then back in. And again, I'm putting a lot of pressure on this, and one more time. And then back in. Now let's go ahead and rest for a second. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to put a lot of pressure on this arm, but we're going to do a fast kick out and back in. So the knee goes out, knee comes back. Knee is up, and then pressing down on that chair. 1, 2, and 3. And let's go ahead and switch over. Okay, so here we go again. We're going to go to the other side, and we're going to go slow motions, pressing down on the chair. Knee is up as high as you can, pressing it out. For me, I'm going to the 8 o'clock, and then I'm going to bring it back up. By the way, make sure the toes are pointing straight forward towards 12, and then back out to the 8 o'clock, so they're still pointing towards 12. You can't see it, that's off camera. And then back in again. And then one more time, out to 8 o'clock, and back in. Now we're going to take a moment. We're going to press down on the chair and do fast kicks. So pressing down on the chair, knee is up, and 1, 2, and 3. And good. Now we're going to switch over to the other side. We're going to do a hook kick. Now a hook kick is what somebody referred to as a sloppy side kick. A side kick goes straight out and straight back in. But a hook kick, instead of going out to, for instance, 4 o'clock position, I'm going to 3 o'clock and then kicking the heel back to 4 o'clock and bringing it back in. So it's not a scoop like this, like that would be a sweep. This is a side kick and then up it goes. So the thing about this one is when it gets down to the bottom, you'll want it to do a little bounce. You're using a little bit of the knee, but really what you're doing is you're using the hamstring. So as soon as it gets to the full extension, the hamstring's already trying to bring it back. Okay? So the knee is up, and let's do it slow. Out it goes, and then scoop it up. Let's bring the knee up again, pressing down on the chair. Out it goes, scooping it up. And one more time. Out it goes, scooping it up. Okay, now we're going to do it at speed. Are you ready? Remember, you're going to the 3 o'clock position to the 4 o'clock position. Up it goes, and a fast motion, pushing down on the chair. 1, 2, and 3. Good balance. Awesome. Let's switch over to the other leg. Okay, we're going to practice that first. Knee is up, and then going down to the 9 o'clock, then to sweeping past the 8 and comes back up. I'm not pushing down on the chair like I should. I'm going to push down on the chair. 9 o'clock, sweeping to the 8 and back up. And one more time. 9 o'clock, sweeping to the 8 and back up. Okay, let's rest for a moment and get ready for those 3 fast kicks. All right. Pushing down on the chair, leaning up, knee is up, and 1, 2, and 3. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to do a back kick. So again, we're going to be pushing down the chair. The reason, I like to use the chair is that we're building also upper body strength, and we're not taking that much away from the legs because the legs are supporting us all the time. The heel is up, and then make sure that the toe is pointing straight down as you extend it. If you do like this, you're doing a different muscle group. Extend it straight out as much as you can to 6 o'clock, and then bring it back in. You're still pressing down the chair. One more time, pressing out. And then pressing it in. Okay, now let's go ahead and do our 3 quick on that leg. So pressing down on the chair, heel is up, and 1, back in, 2, back in, and 3, and back in. All right, let's switch over to the other side. Heel is up, pressing it out, keeping the toes pointed down, bring it back in, pressing down on the chair, pushing it out, bringing the knee back in, And then one more time, pressing it out and knee and back in. And here we go. Ready? Pressing down on the chair, heel is up. And 1, 2, and 3. Awesome.